Nice. Okay. And then all you have to do is lift your feet and you will slide down. Grab onto anything at the other side to pull yourself in. Does that make sense? Yeah. If you do not pull yourself in, you might slip back. That's okay. That does happen. Turn yourself around, act like a little sloth and pull, okay? You want to lock your open one to then get that one free. Does that make sense? So this one's unlocked. You want to lock it in place. Again, match the hole to the peg. So feed it right through. Lock it nice down. Now that's locked. And the other one is unlocked. Does that make sense for everybody? Yeah. Do you have any questions before we practice? No. No. Real quick, how many people are allowed on a platform? How many people are allowed on an element? What do you call if you need help? Staff. Very loudly because we were going to be on the ground. You guys will be up in the trees. We need to be able to hear you. Does that make sense? Great. Red tweezers are for your safety clips. Yellow, ignore. They're for staff. And blue is for what? This line. Blue. Yep. Okay, we're going to practice it. I'll let you guys in. It's the blue one with that light blue hydro flask. It's right in front. So that means if they double lock, it's a safety. You need to press it all the way up and into the tweezers. Let's try again. Just push it all the way up and in. All the way. It didn't fit all the way. See it? There you go. Now it's open. Bye, Devin. So if that ever happens, press it in again harder, okay?
That's your house. Oh, yeah, good. You guys are exciting?
Yeah.
Starting Kadire. Which one is starting from here? Lambum. Lambum. How you feel? You feel good, right? You brave man, bro. Oh, that lambum ke tini malle so. Oh yeah, that book to zip line ni ma do tini pala da amala do tini temu tagi phe de sha. Chen number ke thora khande de chungso. Pe chu de book to chu dam chu de. Phama lai de tini ra book chu ta na phama chu cha de ja.
You gonna phama gas?
Tagarai. Tara de konde ni jam de. Chuppe abu chi do tharin buta gore dena mi ta gore. Kamba shasala chikta ro athini tharin bola ta da pelle la uyore. No. Look here. No, pha tharin buta ya marda. Lamgala mikta ani kamba shasala ta dena ta ere sal marta gumare. See, you did it.
You're the bravest, you're the coolest, you do everything you want. Shoot, Andy, go. I know my hands. I want my own. Okay. Power when you think it's comfortable. Don't be a baby. I just hold on to here. It's okay. Even if you fall, you'll catch it. Go. It's okay, Dinky. Go on. Go. Dinky, I need you to go too.
I don't know.
No. Come on then. Let me go first.
줘. Me too. 이게 줘 그래. 줘. 그 눈이 잡아야
콘 돈이 돈요 샤자
이거 지금 끼다다.
Hit on top. Sit. There you go. Right. All right, so we're up. The far side, all the way in front. On the wire first. Yep, and now lift it. You did it. See, you know how to do it.
Good job, Mama.
One hand on top, not in front. On top. There you go. Perfect. Now sit.
강.
아직 힘을 저는 조금 봐야죠.
Good job.
Woo!
That was great.
Thank you.
그래
한번
That's
더.
two. And that's the third. I think
아, 놓아.
그렇게.
Check this out.
What happened? Oh. How do you do that?
I have no idea.
How are you supposed to do that?
I have no idea.
Wait, what? Wait, I hope that's not the easy rule because I ain't doing that. I'm gonna do that. I want to do that. How do you do it?
Let's go. А, там это... Я думаю, что... 어서 가.
치치 성공
No. I mean, it's perfectly fine if you don't stretch over it.
더하러 걸 넣어야 돼. sim, sim. Lava.
Oh my gosh, I'm literally
Alright, so now explain me. So what is the rule?
Okay, so you came up here, right? But
Right.
the boy was here. You didn't know him, right?
Right.
That's why he was like, hey, don't come here.
Right, right,
But
right,
now
right.
he's over there. We have to stop here because until he gets over there, they can go.
I see. Because of the social distance,
Yeah.
the COVID-19, right?
Yes.
So we are grown, we know each other, so no problem. So
Yeah.
with them is problem. I
Yeah.
see. I got you. Thank you very much, buddy. You are the man. You are my lifesaver. Laban mga lai. Ti laban ni sim da kajo mga lai. O the same day ngike dang go da. O kamaje go. Go.